Okay, I get it. You're upset with me because I'm not bullish on AMC. But I will admit, if I'm wrong about AMC and it goes up, it's going to be because of this factor. All right, so you're probably really familiar with this chart by now. You know that back in early June, AMC hit 72, but ever since then, as of the making of this video, it hasn't been able to get any higher than that. I know we all want to see a short squeeze. Short squeezes are fun. I get it. We're sticking it to the man, and the evil hedge funds are going to go bankrupt, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever, fine. If that's what needs to happen to get AMC to $4,625 a share, then fine. But what you need to look at is real metrics, okay? Short squeezes will happen if there's buying pressure in the stock, okay? Just holding shares is not going to cause a short squeeze. The only thing that's going to cause a short squeeze on AMC, if there is still really, in fact, a huge short position, is a ton of buying pressure. Ask yourself, what is going to potentially, not certainly, but potentially cause a short squeeze via buying pressure on the stock is if people do what? Return to the movie theaters. If more people go back to the movie theaters than analysts are anticipating. So you've probably seen these stories in the media about how the theaters are dead. Everybody only watches Netflix and streaming services. Nobody wants to go to the movie theater anymore. Blah, blah, blah. Well, guess what? They might be wrong. In fact, this is anecdotal, but I have a friend who loves going to watch Star Wars movies. And he told me that recently he went back to the theater and he thinks more people are going to do the same. So this whole narrative about the movie theater being dead might be completely wrong. Imagine that. The media might be fake news. A quick way to check and see if AMC might be ready to move would be to go to twitter.com and use the search feature and type in quotes something like this: went to the movie theater, and then click on latest. And then you can see everyone that's typed that search string into a tweet. I went to the movie theater last night and downed a large popcorn. So you can see stuff like this. Okay, so you have to ask yourself, how many people recently have typed in stuff like that and tweeted stuff like that? This guy says, went to the movie theater yesterday for the first time since before the pandemic. Now, some people are going to go to the movie theater, and that's already factored into the stock price. But if more people than are expected to go back to the movie theater start going, that's when you could potentially have some buying pressure in the stock, which could trigger the mother of all short squeezes, right? Which we've kind of already seen happen, right? Once or twice this year in GME and AMC. So another cool trick you can use is you can go to Google Trends and type in a search trend that you want to check the popularity of. So I just typed in movie theater here, and you can see that in the last 12 months, we have finally seen more people searching for movie theater in Google. So potentially this could be bullish for AMC. Full disclaimer, I am not bullish at this present time. It doesn't mean I might change my mind, but you know, I got raked over the coals pretty bad the last time I made a video on AMC, and it was pretty bearish. So I just wanted to show the other side of the coin here and show you what's possible. I was wrong before. I didn't think AMC was going to go $72 in June, so I might be wrong again. And if I'm wrong, I think this will be the reason why, because people are going back to the movie theaters more than the media thought was possible. So I just want to be fair and kind of, you know, throw a bone out there to you guys who are bullish on AMC. Hopefully this was helpful for you. And if it was, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and also like this video, and I'll have more related content on AMC and many, many more stocks and trading in general very soon.